Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just built an amazing project here, and in the previous video, I have just built an amazing personal portfolio site, and I hope you understand that project here. So that was the project which we have built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and I hope that was really helpful for you because many people are seeing that, and I have just also uploaded the voting section, and many of the people think that React.js and Tailwind CSS is best or Next.js and Tailwind. So I'm getting same votes means equal votes in Next.js and Tailwind and equal votes of React.js and Tailwind. So I will be uploading one project of React.js and Tailwind CSS and the second project of Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So like that I will be uploading projects. So from that you will be learning both languages, Next.js also and React.js also. But today we are just building an amazing project through Java, and through Java we are just building an amazing just project. So moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building. So remember to see this video from the start if you want to learn how to build this amazing project using Java. And if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like and subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, a notification bell from which you will be receiving all the notifications of my video which I will be uploading in future. So now we will be starting with our video, and from the start to end we will be seeing that how we are building this project and what we will be including in this amazing project which we are building through Java from the start. So just in the start, I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project using Java, and I'm not telling you like what project we are just building. So today we are just building an amazing project here, which is called music player, and today I will be telling you that how to just build a music player from start. So we will be using a browser file here, and using browser file we will be also using some effects, like we will be using here the Java work which we are just getting at the center. You can see this, but this is the different Java file which I was working with. But today we are using a different Java file, and using that Java file we will be just writing some of the codes of music player to play our music which we are getting in our music player. So this will be really amazing video here. So I will be now moving to file and taking a new window in which I will be opening my folder which I have already created on my desktop. Then I will be closing my previous window here. Here we have to go to file and press open folder to open our folder which is on desktop. So you can see our folder is on desktop with the name of music player in Java. So I will be opening that. Then you have to move in the center here, and then here I will be removing that all stuff. Now you have to just do one thing here, like in this folder I will be now directly removing this. Then I will be saving and opening its main file, because we are just getting some of the links here which we will be needing. So you can put your own GitHub link. So I will be needing that links here. So because of that I am just making that link so I can just link my song there. So for linking the song I will be directly moving to my file here. So I will be directly moving to just the file. So here you have to now I'm getting the file on my downloads. I will be moving here, and then you can see this is our file. If I show you here, we will be getting some of the files. So on this folder I'm just getting my files, but I cannot see that. Okay, down here you have to move. So here we should be getting our files. So here now you can see this. Okay, so we are just not getting like this. So here our file name was music player which I have shown you. So we have to move to the music player where it is. So here we have to check the music player which we are getting here. Okay, so I will be moving at the top, and here you have to just find that file. Okay, so I will be searching here music player file, which is our folder. So in that folder we are getting some of the files, and we will be needing that links. So you can see there it is, music player. I will be opening this, and I will be opening its script file in my notepad, and you can see these are the links we will be needing, and I want to copy these links. Because of that I have opened this file, and some of the links we are getting here as well if I show you in this file. Okay, so I have opened it. So you can see here we are also getting some links if I show you here. So because of that I have opened this file, because I need these links here. So I want to just directly copy these links because I am getting these links on my GitHub. So because of that I have copied this link here, and then I will be opening to my VS Code, and here we have to just open this file in our browser which is Google Chrome. So I will be moving to my desktop, and there it is, our folder music player 1. So I will be directly opening this file in my default Google Chrome browser. Then you have to do it side by side here, and here I will be pressing Ctrl V to close side panel, but remove here directly. After moving here you have to directly remove this thing. Then you have to save it, press Ctrl V and press Ctrl V here again. Now you have to move here, then do it side by side so we can just get all the codes perfectly just moving. Then you have to directly move in this file, main file, which is the body file here, means body tag. Then here we have to write one heading which is called music player, like this. Now when you've written this, you have to directly write a class of music container like this. Then you have to now give here the ID of music container. Then you have to now directly move down, create here music info like this, means music information, which is the short form. Then give here the ID, it should be title, and then write here class title like this. Then you have to directly now move down, create here the div, and then write here a class which should be progress container, and then you have to write here ID progress and write here container. Then you have to now just create another class which should be progress, and here we have to create an ID of progress. Now when you've written this, you have to directly move down and create an audio tag in this, and then we have to paste the link which we have just copied here. So I will be moving to my main file which is called this one. Then I will be copying this link here and pasting it here. So you can see this is the link which we have just pasted. Then I will be giving it the ID of audio, so I can define this audio here. Then when you've written this thing, just you have to move down, create here div class image container. Then you have to now write here image source, and in image source I will be copying the image source which I'm getting on the same file where I just copy the audio link. You can see there is my image source here. So I will be now copying this image source. So you can just also put your own image here if you want to put. I'm just copying the image source which I have already taken here. Then after taking this image source, you have to give here the ID of audio again. Or you can say you can give here the ID of cover, because IDs will be same than audio or cover like that. Then after giving it these all things, you have to move after the close div tag and create here div class which should be navigation. So I will be writing here navigation, then write here button and write here ID preview, means short form of preview like this. Then create here action btn. Then you have to now write here I tag class and write here FASFA backward. So I will be now writing here backward like this. And then you have to now directly move down, create button ID and write here play, create class which should be action btn like this, and write here action btn, then write here big like this. Then when you written this, you have to create here I tag class FASFA dash play. Then you have to directly write here button and create here ID again, next, then create class which should be action btn like this thing. Then you have to now write here I tag class FASFA. Then you have to write here forward, like at the top we have written backward. Then you have to save it and reload. So you can see we are getting all the icons here and the image as well, but we want that it should be working when we just press this play button. So it is not working here. So for doing that, you have to create here a script tag source and write here script.js. Now we have to write some of the codes in our main file, so we can just get our music player working with the music. You can see it is not working when we are pressing this play pause button. So now here we have to just link some of the files here. So I will be writing here like music container is equals to document dot get element by ID, and here I will be writing music container like this. Then you have to close this and write here fonts play button. So I will be writing here play button is equals to document dot get element by ID, and here you have to write play. Then you have to write here fonts and write here preview button and is equals to document dot get element by ID, and here I will be writing preview. Then you have to write here fonts and write next button. So here I will be writing, then create document get element by ID again, but here I will be now writing next, like at the top we have written preview. Then create here the fonts audio tag this time. Then again you have to create a document get element by ID, and then you have to write here audio here. Close this. Then you have to now create another const tag here, write here progress and write here is equals to document dot and write here get element by ID. Then you have to write here progress. Then you have to now close this tag like this. Then create const and write here progress container now and write is equals to document and write here get element by ID like this, and write here progress container. So I will be now writing here progress container like this. Close it. Then create const title. So here I will be writing is equals to, write here document dot get element by ID. Here I will be covering title. Then you have to now directly write here const cover is equals to document dot get element by ID. Here I will be writing cover. Close it. Then you have to now write here const songs is equals to a. Then you have to now just write here comma summer. These are the songs which I will be using in my music player, so you can use any other song as well if you want to use. Then you have to write here ukulele. Then here you have to close it. Write here let song index is equals to 1. Then write here function and create get song title. So here I will be now writing get song title like this and create song tag. Then you have to now directly write here return song, then you have to write here char head, then you have to write here 0, then write here 2 upper case like this, then you have to write this 2 colon plus song slice like this. So here I will be now writing this, then you have to now directly write here 1, close it, then you have to write here function, and in function I will be writing load song and then write here song. So just now here if I just show you, so here I will be now opening my browser, you can see here it is. So I will be now just doing it side by side like we were just doing here. So you can see now it is perfectly good. Here you can see this. Now when you've just done these all stuff here, you have to now directly make the coding side bigger till here, and then we have to open our file explorer. Here I will be opening it again like this. You can see now we have just opened this. After opening this file here, we have to move in the song, and you can see we have just written here load song like this. Then I will be copying the link, you can see, but before this we have to write here title dot inner text is equals to get song title here. Then you have to write here song like this. Then you have to now just close this tag and write here audio dot source is equals to, and then you have to now write like this tag. Now when you just written this, we have to now just paste the link which we are getting on the script file, so we will be not needing this here. Now we have to move in the audio dot source, and here we were getting link which I'm telling you, like I will be using this link here. So I will be directly pasting this link here directly. So you can see here it is. So I will be now pasting the link here. After just pasting the link here, you have to directly do one thing. You have to now close this thing here. So now after doing that stuff here, you have to directly close that. So you can see we have just written till raw true here, and then you have to close this text like this. After closing this, you have to now directly remove, you have to move this here, and now it is perfect. Then you have to create another tag here which is called audio.source. Is the same audio.source which we have created here. So here you have to now directly move here, and then you have to create now cover.source, because our one was audio, means the which we have just written the first ID which was audio, and the second ID was of cover. So we will be using both IDs here. First we have used the audio ID, and the second ID which we have to use is the cover ID. So here I will be now just writing here cover like this. Then you have to write here dot source is equals to, then make this tag here, and then you have to paste the same link which we are getting, but the down one link. So you can see here we are getting this link. So I will be now just copying this link here, and then you have to directly close this file, and I will be pasting this link. You can see we are getting this link as well, and then I will be closing this file. After closing this, you have to directly move down, create here function, and write here play song. Then you have to make this tag and create here music, and then write here container. After writing this music container, you have to now just write here dot class list and create a tag which will be like dot add. Then write here in this play, so you don't have to write dot in the start here like this. So now when you've written this, you have to now directly write here play button and write here dot query selector. Then you have to write here I.fas. Then you have to write here dot class list. Then write here dot remove. Then you have to now directly write here fa play. Then you have to now close this and write here play button. Then you have to write here dot query selector. Then you have to directly write here dot I.fas dot class list. So I will be now writing like this. And after writing this, you have to write here add, and you have to write here fa pause. Then you have to close it. After writing this, you have to write here audio.play. Then you have to close it again. After closing, you have to write here function, and then you have to now just write here pause song. So here I will be writing. Then you have to create this tag and move down. Write here music container and write dot class list here. Then you have to write here dot remove, and then you have to write here play tag. Then you have to now just write here play button and write here dot query selector. And then you have to write here I.fas and write here dot class list. Then you have to now write here dot remove. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here fa pause. Then you have to close it and write here play button. Then you have to write here dot query selector. And then you have to now directly make this tag, and here I will be writing I.fas. Write here dot class list like this, and write here dot add. Then you write here fa play. Then you have to close it again. After closing this tag, you have to now write here audio dot pause, and then you have to now close this tag and write here function. And after writing this function, I will be writing previous song, the short form of previous. Write here song index and write here dash dash close it. And then you have to write here if song index like this and write here 0. Then write here song index and right here is equals to song dot length is dash 1. Then you have to now write here load song. So here I will be now directly moving here, right here load song like this, and right here songs, and make this tag here, right here song index. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here play song like this thing, and here I will be writing and closing this. Then write here function next song, and then you have to write here song index again. And after writing this, you have to now directly write here plus plus, and then write here if song index, then write here songs dot length, and write here dash line. Then you have to write here song index is equals to 0. Then you have to write here load song, and write here songs like this, and write here song index. Then you have to now just directly write here play song, and you have to now close it. After writing, you have to create here a function tag which should be like update. So here I will be writing update progress like this. Then you have to now write here e tag and create const here, and then in const I will be writing duration, and then you have to write here comma and write here current time. Then you have to now write here e dot source element. So here I will be writing source element like this. Then you have to create this tag, or you can directly close it. After closing this thing, just you have to now write here const, and then you have to write here progress percent. So here I will be now writing this progress percent like this. Then create is equals to current, and then you have to now write here time, and then you have to write here slash duration. Then write here multiply by 100 like this. After writing this, here you have to move down, create here progress dot style. Then you have to write here width is equals to, and write this tag. Then you have to write this hashtag like this, and write here progress and write percent. Then you have to now directly write this percent tag like this. Then close it and create here function tag. Write here set progress, and then you have to now write here e tag. Then you have to now write here const width is equals to, write here this dot client, and write here width. Then you have to now write here const click x. So here I will be writing is equals to e dot offset. Then you have to write here x. Then you have to write here const duration is equals to, then write here audio duration. Then you have to now directly move down audio dot current time. So here I will be writing is equals to click x, and then write here width. Then you have to now write here this duration. Then you have to now write here play button, and write here dot add event listener. So here I will be now writing this, and write here click. Then you have to write here this tag, and then you have to make this thing. After writing, you have to write here display like this is equals to music container. Then I will be writing class list, and write here contains. And then after writing this, you have to write here play. Then you have to now write here display, and then you have to write pause song like this. Then create this tag here and write here play song, and then you have to now directly close it, close this tag as well. Write here preview button dot add event listener. So here I will be now writing add event listener. Then you have to write here click, write here comma previous song, and then write here next button is or you can say dot add event listener. After writing this, you have to write here click dot next song. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here audio dot add event listener. Then you have to write here time update. Then you have to write here update progress. Then you have to now just move down, write here progress container. Then you have to write here add event listener. So here I will be now making this tag, and write here click, then write here set progress. So here I will be now writing this. Then after writing, you have to close this tag and create here audio. So here I will be now writing audio dot add event listener. So here I will be now writing, and write here end it. Then you have to create comma and write here next song. So here I will be writing next song. Then you have to close it. Then you have to write here init. Then you have to now write here load song. Then you write here songs, and write here song index. Then when you've written this, you have to close it, save here. Then you have to reload it. So you can see after reloading, if I just play this, so you can see the music will be running here like this. So if I just play this music, you can see the music will be started running. So you can see now we have just created this amazing project here, and this was our project which we have just created of music player. If I show you here, you can see our music is running. And one thing, if I show you, when our music is running, so this is also moving, like the image is also moving in the circle like this, means it is rotating on 180-degree. You can see like this, and our song is also moving. You can just play this song at the forward, at the back like this. You can do. You can also change the song, like you can change it to hey there. I have used 3 songs there, so you can see the image will be also changed of the song when you will be using different songs. So you can put many of the song as well if you want to just put here. I've just put 3 songs here. You can put more than 3 songs, like if you want to put 10 songs, 50 songs, 100 songs, it's your choice how many songs you want to put here. So like this, you can just create this project. So I hope you understand how to just create an amazing music player, and I hope you just start to and understand this, how we can create a music player with running music when we are just working with Java. And I hope you understand this video here. So if you understand this video from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell, so more people can understand how we can just build these projects using these all amazing languages, and how to use Java in our projects to build these amazing music players and many other apps or many other projects. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.